The Association of Malaysian Medical Industries, which has also urged the government to put medical devices in the same GST zero-rated category as pharmaceutical drugs. The Malaysian Medical Association, MMA, has also given a statement expressing its concern that doctors may have to pay more in premiums for their medical indemnity insurance. The Association of Private Hospitals of Malaysia, APHM, has acknowledged that it will be impossible for hospitals to absorb GST when the cost of goods will increase. It has estimated for healthcare costs to rise between 4 to 5% as medical supplies are subject to the GST. KPJ Healthcare Berhad also warned of a possible impact on hospital bills as it expects its own costs to go up between 3% and 5% annually. The government states that Malaysia must be a knowledge-based country, so why is it then that taxing books and knowledge, making them more expensive, acceptable to the BN government? I think that the government has to understand this demand. They're making lobsters exempt from GST because the government has, under its NPAA project, they're actually harvesting lobsters in Sabah. So for me, there's a disconnect between what ordinary Malaysians are facing once this tax regime is in place versus what their vested interests are involved with. I mean, do you eat lobsters on a daily basis? My constituents in Lembah Pantai don't. I don't. So I think there has to be some degree of prioritizing by the government. And I quoted 47 out of 51 countries in terms of those who have implemented GST. And I reiterate the stand, we're not supportive of implementing GST now, but I'm saying that even as you implement, you're going to look at increasing costs for patients in hospitals, for hospital services, and for certain books. You can look at MMA's statement. Basically, they are not exempt from the whole process, especially when providing services. So this part has been clarified also by the Minister. So I'm actually making the statement to highlight to many Malaysians, not everyone would have the time to read through the 780 pages on zero-rated and exemption goods under the GST. Oh, no, I'm talking about the booklet. So they have a list of items. We have one of the most, the largest list of exemptions and zero-rated goods. Unfortunately, lobsters fall into this category, but not medicine and books.